the day. On the 11th, I gave my interview, right? And I fly. On the 12th, I went my home. On the same day, I received a mail from the iFly, from the same HR, from third round HR, and he said that after on the 13th, he'll going to take the interview. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fly with Nikita. Guys, first of all, happy Mahashivaratri to all of you. Hope your dreams come true with this excellent festival. Guys, since last month I was waiting to share all my Indigo interview experience with you, but after a month I got a time to make video on it. So let me tell you how my Indigo interview experience was in detail. Guys, it is like I'm going to share you in every detail of the thing, like how when I applied, how I got everything. Just consider it as a story time. So by this video you'll get to know about how the interviews are going these days. Actually guys, my problem was also the same. Actually, when I was searching through the YouTube for the latest interview experience, I didn't get anything. Like last 3 months, last 4 months, last 5 months, I got the same that videos in my feed, but I didn't get the recent interviews. So I was decided to give some information to you, so it could be helpful to you for your next interviews. So let me tell you in detail thing. So first of all, in November I applied for my passport. Before that I didn't have one. So on the first weeks of the December I got my passport, and that time I didn't have opportunity to apply for the Indigo. In the last weeks of December, like in the January, they gave another opportunity to apply for it. So in the last week of the December, like I would tell you the date, on 26th of the December of 2025, I applied for the Indigo interview. So on the same day I got the another mail saying that you are eligible for the next assessment round. So on the same day I gave my assessment, like on the 26th December, right? From that I didn't get any mail from Unstop regarding Indigo. So I was waiting till 3rd of the January. I lost my hope on the Indigo, guys. Actually, I didn't get any mail from them, no. So I lost my hope. Then I went my home after that. On 3rd I went my home. On the 6th of the January, yeah guys, on the 6th of the January, again I got mail from the Unstop regarding Indigo saying that you are eligible for the next round, which is one-on-one. So they gave location of the interview. So I came from my home to Hyderabad, and on that day I was prepared for like the interview was on 11th of the January. So on the date, on 6th of the January, I got mail about the information about the location, about the documents they need to check, everything. So I have left only 4 days, guys. So in these 4 days I made everything, like I collected all my documents. Everything I did, I don't know how could I say. Yeah, I took Xeroxes. I collected all the documents from my college regarding my graduation, and I took my photos. So photos are mandatory, right? So I took photos and everything. I made this in that 4 days. So I was so quite busy in those days, in that days, and prepared for the interview. I wrote everything in my like papers, and how the things should be, how I should answer, everything I prepared, guys. Like I I how could I say? Uh, yeah. I'll better say in this way. I locked up myself in a room. Uh, that was the Sankranti holidays. I actually yeah, that was the Sankranti holidays, and no one is in a room, my room. So I was locked up myself and prepared for the interview and everything. Like I wrote every in detail thing, guys. So काफ़ी मेहनत की मैंने उस पर. So on that 4 days, I prepared myself to perform so well, to perform as much as I can in the Indigo interview. Yeah, and the 5th day, the day comes. Yeah, guys, the Indigo interview was actually at 9 a.m. So I have to prepare for it. I have to wake up so early. So I woke up at 6 o'clock in the AM, 6 a.m. and took my bath and well groomed for it. Like, guys, how can I say? It was my first time. Actually, I was so new for the field. I was so new for that environment. So I didn't even know how to dress up. I didn't even know how to do my hair. I know how to dress up, but I don't know like how to do my hair. So in that 4 days I learned everything, how to be fit in that. So I did everything. Yeah, I quite proud of that. And on the 11th, I bathed at 6 o'clock. I took bus. It was so cold in the morning, but it's okay. I have to do. So I reached iFly around 8 o'clock, 8:30. So they asked us to wait in the halls, and they collected everything, every detailed information of us. And actually, guys, there was a rule that you have to show your mail, which is you got your location, you got the confirmation mail. Yeah, you have to show that your confirmation mail, then only they are allowing you for the interview. But guys, I'm also going to say the other thing, so stay tuned, turn to me. Yeah, so they are checking everything, and around 9 o'clock I went inside the iFly, and there was a thing, guys, I would like to tell you that it was going to be interesting. So I was well groomed and I was all set. Actually, when I went from here, I wore a pant, formal pant, so it could be easy for my traveling, and I would not be embarrassed around the people. And when I reached at iFly, I changed my dress. I wore skirt there. So after I well groomed, all set, I went and I sat in the chair, and a helping hand came to us and asking that, whom is there anyone who are not graduated yet? Yeah, they asked that. Then I was like, the beside guy who sat besides me, he shook his hand and he said like, yeah, I'm not graduated yet. Then the helping hand said, in which year you are? Like he said, in the 4th year, as the last semester of mine. He said in that same way. And what? And imagine that we are in the same phase. Yeah, what he said, that same applicable to me. I'm also in the 4-2. I didn't completed my graduation yet. I'm also 4-2. I was like scaring. I was so, what is gonna be? Well, they might they kick me out, or say it will be gonna ruined if they kick me out just for just for my graduation. So I would feel very sad. But so after that, I raised my hand and said, what he said, that everything applicable to me. I am also in the same phase. I didn't completed my graduation yet, and I didn't have all the certificates of mine. I didn't have any experience with other airlines. So he asked me to stay out. So I was waiting outside, like हम ना रूम में थे, उसके आगे पहले रूम में थे, और उसके बाद लाइक आफ्टर दैट हेल्पिंग हैंड सेड दैट यू कैन स्टे आउट, इफ आफ्टर सम टाइम वी विल कॉल यू बैक. देन मेरा तो होप से उड़ गया था, लाइक क्या हुआ ये सब, अरे क्या यार. एंड द अदर थिंग आई सॉ दैट, guys, actually the interview or like around starts from 9 a.m. still in the 12 a.m. people are coming. क्या मैं इसके लिए ना लाइक 6 बजे उठ के ठंडे पानी से नहा के इतना इतना लाइक 1.5 आवर 2 आवर्स में जर्नी करके इतने सी में ऐसा ही हूँ. एंड हियर द पीपल आर कमिंग टिल 12 o'clock because I never know that the timings and anything, because ये मेरा पहला इंटरव्यू था with the airlines. I was so new. I didn't even have a little experience. I didn't have any experience, but I do consider that I'll mingle within a days. I don't even bother if I know the work, if I don't know the work. But if I decide to know, to mingle, to do, I will give my 100%. Yeah, it is not only applicable in that airline, on Indigo only. It is applicable in my total life. Yeah, that was the thing. So I will give my 100% if I know or I ever known about the things. So 12 बजे तक भी आ रहे थे बहुत कॉफ़ी कैंडिडेट्स. So I was like, I thought only 50 or 60 people will come for the interview, but there were around 130 or 140 people. I was so shocked. क्या है ये, मेरा तो काम हो गया भैया. ऐसा I was like in that way. After waiting like 2-3 hours I waited outside. After that a helping hand, that same helping hand came again to us, to both of, like we are in the same phase, right? So he asked us, आप दोनों किसके साथ सर्टिफिकेट्स नहीं हैं. तो हम दोनों हैंड रेस किए. आप किस ईयर में हो, इसलिए हम 4th ईयर में हैं, लाइक सेमिस्टर. मैं 8th सेमिस्टर, वो भी 8th सेमिस्टर था, वो लड़का भी और मैं भी 8th सेमिस्टर. वी आर इन द सेम सेमिस्टर्स, राइट? सो ही आस्क्ड टू कम इनसाइड. मैं ना, ओह माय गॉड, लाइक थैंक यू सो मच. I prepared everything. I applied for the passport. I buy a lot of stuff, this makeup products. I even learned how to do my hair. I even learned how to introduce and how to prepare for the interview. I damn gave it every 100% of mine. And at the end of the day, if they ask you to go out, ask you to leave only just because you don't have a graduation certificates, though it will be ruined. I will be so exhausted, guys. See, if you are in this phase also, it will be like, ये क्या हुआ, अरे मैं क्या सोच रही थी, क्या हुआ. ऐसा फेस में ये लूप में रह जाते हैं ना. So finally he asked us to come inside, and we were waited like 15 to 20 minutes. So after 10 to 15 minutes they asked us for the briefing. Yeah guys, briefing is the first and foremost thing. It is like instruction. So if you guys wanted to know what they asked us about in the briefing and what they explained us in the briefing, if you comment briefing, I would tell you the whole thing, what was the things are went and how what they told us to, what they told us. and मैं ऐसा नहीं कि मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ यहाँ इस वीडियो पे, बट वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. सो इट विल बी बेटर इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू सी दैट wanted to know about briefing. I would like to tell you, I would definitely make a video on it if you were interested only. Other than that, I won't be sharing anything. So after the briefing, they asked us to sit in the rooms only. Like around 11 o'clock this was happened, 11:30 this the briefing was happened. After that, believe me, we are in the same rooms till 3 o'clock. Yeah guys, I was like, अरे मैं तो सोची थी कि जस्ट 3 o'clock तक मेरा इंटरव्यू होगा, मैं इंटरव्यू देकर वापस रूम का आ जाऊंगी, हॉस्टल को आ जाऊंगी और उसके बाद मैं घर चली जाऊंगी. इन दैट वे आई थॉट, बट it was out of what I thought. Yeah, मेरा इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट हुआ है 3 o'clock के. क्या यार ये, उसके आगे ना 2 रूम्स थे उस या एक्चुअली 2 रूम्स भर के कैंडिडेट्स थे, लाइक अराउंड 80 पीपल्स. सो इट विल बी टेक टाइम, राइट? So we are the last room. I was in the last room, so it will be take time definitely. And 3 o'clock के मेरा, there were 3 rounds guys, don't miss it. There were 3 rounds in the ground staff. Oh my god, I was thought there is only going to be one personal interview and after that I will be free, but no, there are 3 rounds and in every round there will be different HR and there will be different people you will sit with and there will be different kind of questions. Oh my god, out of syllabus हो गए है तो. Yeah, I made 3 friends there, like ladies only, not gents. I made 3 friends there. हम फर्स्ट राउंड के बारे में बात करेंगे. फर्स्ट राउंड मेरा एक HR था, ओके, और उसने 5 लोगों को 5 लोगों को एक ही साथ इंटरव्यू ले रहा था, 5-5 करके. सो in the first round there he asked us about everything about indigo only, not about the personal things, only about indigo, like एस्टैब्लिश का किस ईयर में हुआ, क्या क्या नॉर्म्स है इंडिगो का, और द थिंग डोमेस्टिक फ़्लाइट्स कितनी हैं, डोमेस्टिक डेस्टिनेशंस कितनी हैं, इंटरनेशनल डेस्टिनेशंस कितनी हैं, ऐसा करके वो पूछ रहा था. और सेल्फ इंट्रो गाइस, आई डोंट नो यू इफ़ यू लिसन टू मी और इफ़ यू डोंट लिसन टू मी, एक बात तो पक्की है, प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ इंट्रो वे मच यू वांटेड बेटर, लाइक कितना अच्छा हो सके उतना अच्छा सेल्फ इंट्रो प्रिपेयर करो. जस्ट it doesn't matter that if you are pro in your English, if you are not in a pro, or if you know just basics, but prepare your self intro in a way more possible thing. Yeah, as much as possible prepare your intro in a easy and in a good way. So as I said you, in the first round there he was asking only about the indigo. So you better know the total information about indigo, and if you are going for the interview, so please तुम्हें जितना हो सके इंडिगो के इंफॉर्मेशन निकालो एंड उसको लाइक रट्टा मारोगे, तुम्हारे ब्रेन में फिक्स हो जाए, या इन दैट वे. सो दे विल बी आस्किंग एंड पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस से आंसर करना है, पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस से. एंड आफ्टर दैट, in that interview, in the first interview round, one guy is there and 4 girls, me with 3 girls who are I made friend there. हम 4 लोग थे, and in that the guy was eliminated and one of my friends was eliminated. Me and other 2 girls are selected for the next round. And I didn't feel anything, like it's okay, it's going normal. I didn't feel not it's like achievement, it's okay. In the second round also, हाँ, वो 4 लोगों को इंटरव्यू ले रहा था वहाँ पे. इन द सेकेंड राउंड, द HR, सेम HR, डिफरेंट HR, नॉट सेम HR. सो एक ही बार में हम 4 लोग वहाँ गए थे, सेकेंड राउंड में गए थे. एंड लाइक 4 लोग भी हम लेडीज ही थे, गर्ल्स ही थे, ऐसे बैठे थे हम. इन दैट, in the second round, guys, he was asking about your resume. What are the things you have mentioned your resume? Yeah, your education, your qualification, why you wanted to choose. Personally, guys, मैं एविएशन और क्या बोलते हैं, मैं ना कंप्यूटर साइंस से बिलोंग करती हूँ, ग्रेजुएशन बीटेक में हूँ. सो मेरा फील्ड एंड जो फील्ड मैं सेलेक्ट की हूँ वो क्वाइट अपोजिट है, गाइस. यू माइट नो दैट. सो ही वॉज कीप आस्किंग मी लाइक 15 to 20 questions, every person in detail. I was like, अरे क्या है ये. And I didn't resist myself. I gave every in detail thing about myself. And see, speak genuinely. If you know, if you don't know, just say, speak genuinely that you know and that you don't know. Whatever things, speak genuinely. They wanted to know how much, and you should be appear like you are trustable person. Yeah, वो तुम पर ट्रस्ट करना ही चाहिए, क्योंकि ना the HRs are looking for the candidates who will stay long for the company. Yeah, not for 1 year, not for 2 years. Yeah, of course, if I get into this, that I won't be stay like more than 1 year. I know that, but I have to show him that I would be trustful. So he asked every personal in detail about me in that. So I gave every information in a genuine way. And the questions he asked me is about my personal things only. And after that, after the second round, only 2 people are selected, me and another girl. We both are selected there. And guys, how could I tell you that? And the third round is way more unexpected to me. So guys, after I completed my second round, it was around 9:30 guys, night. So how could I tell you? And we were like 6 or 7 people who were waiting for the third round. And trust me, the HR went to his home. Yeah. I was, what is this happening to me? I was like, क्या है? अरे, you came until the last and it is your first time, and for the last round HR went to his home and the helping hand said that he will be interview you in the virtual. That is not one-on-one only, but in the virtual, in the phone. So you should be prepared for it. And the other thing is that guys, those who are selected in the third round, again the ma'am who taking the briefing, she called all of them and said that congratulations, you are selected, to them. And about us, it's virtual for the third round. It was like traumatizing, guys. I was, oh my god, what is happening with me? And around 9:30, so they asked us to, they called off and they asked us to leave the iFly because the HR is not there now. Who is gonna take the third round? So we went home like around 10:11:30. I went home, and on that day I slept well. After the day, on the 11th, I gave my interview, right, on the iFly. On the 12th, I went my home. On the same day, I received a mail from the iFly, from the same HR, from third round HR, and he said that after, on the 13th, he'll going to take the interview. Yeah. And on the 13th of 11 a.m. around, I gave my interview again, which is third round. And yeah, that was the thing. And guys, you don't believe that till now, today is the 15th of the February. Till the date, I didn't even know whether I am selected or not. How could I express my feeling? I was asked everyone who were in my connections, who I approached everyone, but till I didn't know what was the results of it, of my third round. And इससे बुरा क्या होगा? See, if you guys tell me whether I am selected, whether I am not selected, it's okay. It's totally fine for me, and I would that it will take some time to digest. Okay, I'll be digest at the end of the day. But it is like you are keeping everything in the suspense, and I even mailed to the HR, please let me know what was the result of it, but till no reply for my mail. And I contacted the HR, helping hands. He was saying like I was in the holidays all these days, and I don't even know, and he said that he don't even know the list. Like 6 members are waiting for the result till now, and what, it is way more worse than anything, guys. And every day हर दिन ना होप से ऐसा गिरता जा रहा है. क्या करूँ मैं करूँ तो क्या करूँ? And this day and today on the 5th, this is like 15th of the February, and today was also they are conducting interviews in the same iFly. See, if you were told me that whether I selected or I'm not selected, I would be there today, right? But I was waiting for the result. I hope they'll come. I hope I would be selected. I was like desperately, I don't even know how to tell, but please. So guys, this was my first interview experience with the Indigo for ground staff. I hope I didn't get any result till now. I hope I'll get selected. Please pray for me and pray for the girls who are gave this interview. And this is all the things, guys. So if you want any in detail things, please do comment. I will be doing another video because it is going to be a very lengthy if I tell everything about that. And I forgot that in the third round he just asked me about myself, about my intro, and the second thing, why you wanted to work with the Indigo. That's it. So I told in the brief way, and he said, Nikita, you may leave now. ये क्या हुआ? अरे कुछ भी नहीं बोलते. So it's okay. मैं तो होप कर रही हूँ अच्छे रिजल्ट्स आएंगे. मैं अच्छे से इंटरव्यू दी हूँ. So I don't know until unless I get the result. If you guys wanted to know if I get result or if I selected or not, Please do comment. I'll be sharing every in detail of thing of mine. So please do subscribe to my channel. I will be getting all the information related to airlines, especially related to Indigo. So please do subscribe to my channel and please support me. Bye.